Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Okay, first open your Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now click on New and enter the name which you want to specify for the operating system. And this is the place where the virtual machine is going to be stored. Okay, click on Other. I'm going to change this place. I'm going to save it here. VirtualBox. And this is the folder I'm going to show. Save, select folder, and now click on Next. And I'm going to allocate 4 GB of memory to this. Okay, click on Next, create, and this is the hard disk space you're going to give. Next. Yeah, I'm going to keep it as default. Next. And I'm going to give it 100 GB of space. Create. And now don't start this now. We need to change some of the settings. Click on Settings, go to Advanced, and I'm going to keep it as bidirectional. Okay, now System. If you want to change the RAM size, you can change it once again. Okay, processor. I'm going to allocate it two processors. Okay, now storage, and here you can see a empty one. You need to select this and click on this and select the ISO file, and this is my ISO file. If you want to select choose a disk file, and you can see. Okay, now here this is the one I'm going to select. Open, and now click on OK. Okay, I'm going to start this now. Start. It's starting. Wait for a few minutes. Now I'm going to keep it as default. Next. Install now. And if you want to install Windows 10 ISO, you can check out my previous video. Okay. Okay, I'm going to provide this notepad in the description, and if you want to use Windows 10 Home Edition, you need to copy this and paste there. I want to use a professional, so I'm going to use this key. Okay, okay, now click on Next. Accept the license terms. Next. Custom install Windows only advanced. Yeah, I'm going to select this. Next. Okay, it may take too long a time. It may just take 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's going to restart in seconds. Now I'm going to click here, restart now. Press any key, cancel. Now it's starting. Okay, now it's launching Windows 10. It may take some time. Now we need to do some important setup. Okay, now you have to select your country. I'm going to select my country name. Okay, here. Yes. And I'm going to keep this keyboard layer correct. This is my keyboard layer. Yes. Skip. And if you want to add a second keyboard layer, you can use it. Okay, I'm going to click setup for my personal use. Next. Okay, I'm going to use offline account. If you want to use the sign in, you can sign in. Limited experience. Okay, now I'm going to give the PC name Windows. Next, I'm going to use the password. Use your preferred password and you need to confirm it. Okay, I'm going to select my security question. Mm, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to give something like this. Okay, I'm going to give something meant. This one I'm going to choose. Okay, this. I'm going to mix up this. Enter. Okay, I'm selecting like this. All I'm going to select accept business and click on accept. You can select your wish. Okay, I'm not going to click not now. Okay, it may take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it had completed the setup. Okay, here we can see that we are not getting a full screen. So if you want to get full screen, we need to do something. Okay, go to, first you need to restart this one again. Okay, I'm going to restart. Okay, okay, now open the computer. Okay, now go to devices and insert guest editions. Okay, go to folder CD drive. Okay, now click on this one to install VirtualBox Windows Agents. Okay, click on yes. Okay, click on next. Next, install. Okay, it's installing. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, I'm going to manually reboot later, and now I'm going to click here, close all the applications and click on restart here. Okay, it's restarting. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, now open the windows. Okay, click on this. Here you can see that we are still did not acquire the full screen. It needs some time. I'm going to click on view full screen mode, but it does not show. It needs some time to load. I'm going to try this once again. Yeah, here you can obtain the full screen, but now you just try again by going up. Okay, yeah, we have obtained the full screen now. If you like this video, just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like button. And we have so many videos, you can just go through that.